what are HTML tags and HTML elements? Well, letter or word surrounded with less than sign and greater than sign, or letter or word surrounded with less than sign, / and greater than sign are HTML tags. So we have two types of HTML tags. We have start HTML tags and end HTML tags. And what are HTML elements? If we have start HTML tag, then some content, and end HTML tag, this is actually HTML element. We also have one more type of HTML elements. We have HTML element that contains only one tag with / at the end, and this HTML element is known as empty HTML element or self-closing. So why are important HTML tags and HTML elements? Any element of your website, for example input field or button or anything like this, is actually HTML element or HTML tag. So if we want to create input field, we will use input HTML element. Or if we want to create button, we will use HTML button element. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.